Fuck! Fuck!
Life does not stop and start at your convenience, you miserable piece of shit.
All right, let's do this. I think I'm just gonna launch right here. Here. Battery in. Drone on. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, just launching. See you guys. All right, here I am. Let's go. I have no idea if it's back there or if I lost it already or what. Just trusting that it's there. Oh. Dude, no fucking way. This sucks so bad. I cannot believe. You gotta be kidding me! And I went over here and then right around up here somewhere is where fucking way. It's fucking gone, man. It's so gone. Like, what? I don't understand. I don't fucking understand. It's gotta, it definitely landed by now, because it's gonna lose the fucking battery. It's not in the air anymore. Fuck! Ah! I heard it for a second. Fuck! No! Is it shutting off? Don't shut off. Don't shut off. No, 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 no. got to be fucking kidding me. Dude, within fucking 5 minutes, within 30 fucking seconds of this thing losing. Fuck! Come on! God fucking damn it! Fuck me! You've got to be fucking kidding. Alright, at this point, the battery is almost certainly dead. Definitely dead. This is roughly where I lost communication with it. Because before cresting this hill, the light was still blue. And before making that right turn, right there, is when I noticed that the light was red. So here we are back at where we lost communication. And as you can see, it could literally be anywhere. No fucking way. No fucking way. Are you fucking serious? Is that what I think it is? I see some blue. Bro, you know what my drone's getting? Is some fucking high-vis tape. If this is my drone. Are you fucking serious? Oh my lord. There's no battery. Oh my god, dude. Oh Jesus Christ, I wonder if it still works. None of the propellers. Look at this fucking bush it was in. Holy shit. Well, that's why it didn't keep broadcasting. Because the battery came off as soon as it hit. Oh god, I can't wait to see this footage. Alright. Oh, dude, is there a battery in here, please? These things are like... I wonder if that's why it fell out of the sky. The fucking battery just yeeted itself. The battery has to be around here somewhere. There it is. No fucking way. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. No fucking way. Holy shit. This still got 75% battery. God, dude. Oh, there's like shit. Motors. Dude, no way. I think it might be a little too fucking windy to fly today. It works! The fucking gimbal works! Oh my god, dude. How is that even possible? Dude, Dude, no fucking way. Dude, no way. Oh, I can't even tell you how fucking relieved I am right now. I shouldn't fly this, right? That would be stupid. That would be really dumb of me to fly this right now, wouldn't it? After what just happened? Dude, are you fucking kidding me right now? It still flies. My God, that is fucking hilarious.
Go!